my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. It's hot outside and most of us don't feel like cooking. An item that I make often, especially when the mercury rises, is a sandwich. On the website, there are a lot to choose from, and here's another one. My Italian pesto panini sandwich. With a gorgeous pesto spread, this tasty finger food is perfect anytime, and more so on a hot summer day. So let's get cooking. We'll start by making the spread. In a small bowl, we'll combine mayonnaise and Italian pesto, which you can make from scratch by clicking the link on the top right corner of your screen. We'll stir until very well blended. By the way, just a quick note, pesto is a great versatile condiment and can be used for so many different applications, like as a spread, which is absolutely amazing, in sauce, salad dressing, and so on. For more ideas, read the blog. Alright, next. So here are our buns. I bought cheddar cheese ciabatta and actually, they weren't too bad. We'll slice them in half and spread our pesto mixture on both, top and bottom, making sure to cover the entire surface. We'll now place a couple slices of mortadella on each bottom bun, followed by a sweet capicola, also known as capicola here in North America, and then prosciutto. If it comes in long, thin strips, simply fold it in half. Next, we'll place some thin slices of red onions, about 1 tablespoon, and the same with roasted red peppers. Of course, you know me with my freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I use it in most of my recipes. And then tomato slices, which is a typical Italian ingredient, and the same when it comes to provolone cheese. We'll place the top buns, pressing down gently to compress, before brushing on some olive oil. We're only doing the tops for now, okay? Then we're ready to grill, so let's move on to the stove. Here, I'm using a stovetop panini pan. I guess that's how it's called. And it works beautifully, but use your panini maker if you have one. We'll place our buns, oiled side down, put the press on top, and grill them until golden brown, about 1 to 1.5 minutes on medium-high heat. When the bottom is just about done, we'll brush the tops with oil, carefully flip the sandwiches, put the press on top, and grill them until golden as well. And my friends, this is our Italian pesto panini sandwich. Super quick and easy to make, this delicious finger food is incredibly tasty. It's a great recipe to make this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!